Good morning, one and all, for the class. Today, we are going to continue with the same chapter, that is chapter number 3, Computer Virus. Today's topic is the different types of viruses. Computer virus can be categorized in different ways. One of them is by their infection targets. If we group viruses by their targets, we can divide viruses into following categories. The first computer virus which we are going to discuss is the program virus. Program virus infect program files which have extensions like .com, .exe, .sys, .dll, .ovl and .scr. The examples of program viruses are acid rain, alien 298, amoeba, etc. The second virus which we are going to discuss is the boot virus. Boot viruses infect the boot records of hard disk and floppy disk. Generally, boot viruses are considered more dangerous than the program viruses. Examples of boot viruses are Danish boot, Devil, .941, EEK, Disk Killer, etc. Which we are going to discuss is the macro viruses. A macro is a set of commands written by the user to be executed later. A macro virus uses the macro language for its program. These viruses infect data files. For example, MS Word, MS Excel are susceptible to macrovirus attacks. Macroviruses also spread rapidly as users share infected documents. Examples of such viruses are Melissa, Concept, and Nuclear. Malware. Malware is a short form for malicious software. The word refers to any program that infiltrates and harms a computer without the user's consent. For example, Trojan horses, spyware, and spam. The fifth virus which we are going to discuss is the worms. A computer worm is a program capable of reproducing and spreading itself to another computer system, usually by means of a computer network. The example of worms are Code Red, Spy, SIR, CAM. The sixth one which we are going to discuss is the Trojan horses. The Trojan horse is a program that appears useful, but it is actually programmed to pass the user's data to someone else. Some popular Trojan horses are NetBus, Subscreen, Sub7, Beast, and Zeus. This which we are going to discuss is the spyware. Spyware refers to computer programs that secretly gather information about the user and relay it to advertisers or other interested parties. They are also called as spybots or tracking software. Spyware can consume a lot of memory, making the computer very slow and difficult to work. With the biggest problem with the spyware is that it can steal your information and misuse your computer. The eighth one which we are going to discuss is the spam. The spam refers to unsolicited, unwanted emails. It may carry advertisements or serve as a means of spreading malware like viruses and worms. Some ways of avoiding spam are: do not give your email address to an unknown person. Second one, you have to delete the spam mails without reading them. The third and the last is the use the spam files to your email program to block the unwanted mails. Now we will end our class. Hope all are taking good care of yourself. Stay home, stay safe.